Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions, and I can't wait to show you how the LSP Hallmark presets for Evoto work for your Christmas minis and beyond. You can use these for other sessions too. In fact, if you do, I'd love to see what you do with them. Beautiful image here by Elena Kuld, sent in for me to test because I love testing with other photographers' images. It's real, isn't it? Rather than if I just do my own images, then how do I know the presets are going to work for you? So I love to try them on all sorts, a big variety of images. Beautiful image here. And the first thing I recommend you doing with these is going through the all-in-one sections. These are literally your entire edit, including skin fixes, eyes, background, just everything in one click. So go through these. You will need to set your own exposure and white balance first. The presets don't do that for you because it's a very personal, subjective thing. White balance is absolutely beautiful in this image, but if you need to change it, it's just here on the basic panel. So back over to our presets, let's take a look. If these are the first time you're using them, you can go through and choose which preset you think is going to work for your image. And you'll find you've got favorites. So there's our before and after. That's using preset Balancer, Mini Magic, Classic. Now these are changing very quickly because right now I'm not sure if you can see, but over here I have real-time color adjustments selected. That means it's on. It means that your color adjustments will be made very, very quickly. It also means you will not see skin or background or any other editing. So once you've chosen your base, I recommend turning this off, letting it load, and it's going to do all the skin and everything else that's included in those presets too. It does do it, but it just, when you've got real-time color on, it just means that you can select and change your entire image very, very quickly. You'll get used to that. So I'm on Snowball at the moment. I'm just kind of clicking through, trying to decide which one of these is going to be the best one for this image. And then you can just synchronize and batch it across everything else. Oh, I do like Hallmark. For this, I'm torn between Snowball and Hallmark. What do you think? Snowball is for beautiful bright white backgrounds. Hallmark is for that classic Christmas edit. You know, I think because the whites are so perfect here and beautifully lit, I'm going to go with Hallmark. Gives us that beautiful warm subject skin. Before and after. Now we have this area here that needs a quick fix. So in Evoto, I'm going to click on the healing tool, the spot healing tool. I like to select the entire area first that needs healing. It will kind of be painted red. Let go and it's going to do some healing. And then when it's done, it's very rarely perfect unless it's a little easy area. If it's something like this, you might have to then go over a few more times and select areas just to kind of get it to work. You also have a patch tool here, which you can use to patch any areas that look a little bit wibbly. Very similar to Photoshop. So I'm just gonna got a little bit of, oh, nope. If it goes bad, you can just hit undo. Undo as many times as you need. Okay. So I'm thinking subject looks a little bit warm on this. So I think I'm going to go to Snowball. Sometimes just looking away for a second and looking back can really help you decide the final look for your image. And you have all these other sections too for your subject, for the skin, for background. But I do recommend choosing one of the all-in-ones first and then using these areas below to tweak. But I hope you love these presets. Thank you, Elena, for sending this beautiful image in. And you can watch the other video tutorials. There's a lot of them for these presets to really get a feel for them. But the best way is to load your gallery into Evoto and just jump in and find the preset that works for you. I think you'll be very, very surprised and quite delighted that you're not going to have to spend hours upon hours editing your Christmas minis. I'd love to see what you do with these. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.